Hello everyone, welcome back to DIY Geek YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to repair a small rock chip on a windshield. This is my truck's windshield. As you can see there's a rock chip that is pretty large. I would say that's about half a dime size, and I'm gonna be using this kit that I bought from Amazon to quickly put epoxy resin inside there. So it will do two things. It will basically make it more clear so that it is not so visible from inside the truck, and that's number one. Number two, it will stop the spread of the crack itself. As you can see here from the front, the crack is pretty deep, and you can actually feel it. If you run your finger onto it, you can actually feel there's a hole kind of inside of it. Anyway, so let's get started, and then I'm gonna put a link in the description if you want to buy this kit. It's really, I think it's under $10, but I'm gonna put the link in the description, and you can see it right here, and where to buy it from Amazon. If you buy it using my link, I appreciate it because it gives me some money and helps support making this channel. All right, let's get started. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is get a glass cleaner and then clean the exterior. It's not really 100% necessary, but in order for you to get good suction, glass cleaning the glass beforehand is a good idea. Okay, after cleaning the area, what you want to do is take the bracket and position the hole right in the middle. So you would want to try to get your eye right on top of the middle part here, so that you can kind of zero in, hopefully, to where the center of the crack is. So this is a little bit hard sometimes because, as you can imagine, you have to kind of stretch over your body over it. So I'm trying to see here, if you can see, that's kind of like right in the middle, at least for me. And then we are going to break off the cap here for the resin. Make sure you shake it first, and we're just going to put in about 5 drops. Okay, you kind of have to squeeze it and just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and then we're going to cap this real quick so it doesn't dry up, and then we're going to put this pressure so that it pushes the chemical into the crack. So go ahead and screw it all the way down, and we're going to go inside to take a look at how good this thing is doing. Okay, so I actually have a drip here, so I'm going to just capture that drip there, and let's go inside. Okay, so on the inside it looks pretty good. It actually hits the spot almost dead on, and filled in a lot of the white part that was causing some sight blockage or bothering when you're driving. Okay, we're supposed to leave the mixture to dry or to harden for about 5 minutes, but in the meantime I just want to repeat this process. So basically I'm going to unscrew and screw back in this pressure driver. So this is what pushes the chemical in and out of the hole. This will hopefully push the liquid resin more into those cracks, so that it will be even more clear once we're done with this. I'm talking about filling in into the crack, so therefore making it even more transparent, like nothing ever happens. Okay, so I think I did that a couple of times or 3 times already. So we're gonna wait 5 minutes for this to clear up. Make sure it's 10:43 right now, so we're gonna wait until probably 10:48, and then we're gonna remove that suction cup and everything and see what happened. So it's been about 10 minutes, which is a little bit too long, but I am going to remove the contraption here now. Okay, so there's still liquid flowing. I'm gonna just try to wipe this, and I still see a hole. I thought it would be filled by now, but I still see a little bit of a dimple or hole. I don't know why. Should have been all filled, but it does look a lot better than before though. So I think the 5 minutes actually is not enough. I wish I would have left it there a bit longer. But I have another spot here that I'm gonna also fill, and hopefully that one will go a little bit better. But it at least I would say make the appearance a lot smaller. Let me show you a closer look. Okay, so that's what it looks like now versus before. And I'm gonna also let you look inside. Okay, I don't know if you can tell. I'm gonna try to take a picture also. Well, thank you for watching this video. We have completed the successful windshield chip or crack. That windshield crack right there is barely visible anymore, and it looks really good inside, even better inside actually. So yeah, so this product is pretty amazing, really easy to use. I highly recommend it. I'm gonna put the link in the description. Thank you for watching. I hope you find this video useful. If you do, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel to see more do-it-yourself video like these and support my channel. Thank you.